The Yorkshire Dogs. The Yorkshire Terrier is one of the smallest dog breed of terrier type and one of any dog breed. The breed developed during the 19th century in Yorkshire, England. Ideally, its maximum size is 7 pounds, 3.2 kilograms. A popular companion dog, the Yorkshire Terrier has also been part of the development of other breeds, such as the Silky Terrier. It has a grey, black and tan coat, and the breed's nickname is Yorkie. Yorkshire Terriers are very playful and energetic dogs. Many people who have a Yorkie as a pet have to, because they often have separation and anxiety when left alone and they don't enjoy being alone. For adult Yorkshire Terriers, importance is placed on coat color, quality and texture. The hair must be glossy, fine, straight and silky. Traditionally, the coat is grown out very long and is parted down the middle of the back, but must never embed movement. From the back of the neck to the base of the tail, the coat should be a darker gray to a black color, and the hair on the tail should be a darker black. On the head, high chest and legs, the hair should be a bright, rich tan, darker at the roots than at the middle. That shades into lighter tan at the tips, but not for all dogs. Also, in adult dogs, there should be no black hairs intermingled with any of the tan-colored fur. The fine, straight, silky coat is considered hypoallergenic.